We are on the road again. I know you're shocked, and I think you're going to be even more shocked when I tell you I'm going after a Can-Am. But it wasn't a mechanical problem, it was actually a rollover. And we're headed up towards Toquerville Falls, where we got the one with the front control arm and everything, broken ball joint and all that. So we're going to get the little trailer, maybe the tilt bed, I don't know yet, and work our way down in there. We're kind of pushing daylight, so we're going to be hustling right along, and we'll take you along for the ride. We got Rob with us today. Rob's actually my neighbor. He's a motorbike guy, got a Can-Am as well, so he gets out and about once in a while, and he's been able to self-recover for now, but one of these days I'll have to call Casey. It's all a matter of time.
Yeah, it's only a matter of time if you're going to go out and goof off and do anything besides sit on the couch. Sooner or later, you're going to need some help getting back home. So that's what we're here for, and more than happy to go out and get people out of their pickle. So. Well, doing what we always do. If we don't get fueled up after the last rescue, we do it on our way. So we're down here to the Maverick without a C. Gonna get headed down towards Toquerville Falls, meet up with Bill from Utah Offroad. He had a client roll a machine down there, so we're gonna get in there and get him gathered up, and we'll take you along for the ride. Pulling out. Get any better than that, does it? We decided to ditch the trailer up at the top. We can probably just roll this machine back over and drag it up out of here. It'll be a lot less wear and tear on things, and got a couple good hands, so we can put one of them in the cab of it and just drag them back up out of here. So see where we end up. Losing daylight, so we figured we'd boogie right along. Oh, there it is right there. So get your camera on that one. I'll do the roll up. help that? Would that help with your aches and pains and your pain?
I have none. I'm all good.
Might need some anti-laxative for the guy that was in the car.
Yeah, they seem to be okay. It was her birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, well, I drove up, I got out of the car, and I introduced myself, and I gave her a hug. I told her happy birthday. Exactly. Alrighty.
So do you want to try to go down and turn around, you figure? Get a good shot?
I thought I'd go right up there and turn around.
Okay.
Do that one. Get in this thing.
All right, well, we got down here and it was laying on its side still, and they continued on with the tour. Bill brought a spare car out for his customers, and they're going to continue on to Toquerville Falls. And we're going to work our way out of here. He should be okay to drive it, and then depending on how he feels, we may load it when we get back to the trailer. But that's where we ended up, and we'll work our way out of here. Good?
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay.
I don't know there's any reason why I can't just drive it out.
No, I think it's good.
So, I'll just drive it back to the shop.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, I'll just meet you there. I'll grab that trailer.
I'm going to grab my dog.
Jump up in front of me, and you don't need to follow Maximo's though.
Get these in case and this to just get rid of the noise.
What the hell, over?
It's overheating.
Oh, I see oil running out, or antifreeze or something. Well, let's just load it.
Yep.
Well, we can load it. Just drive it on, can't we?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure it'll start. I mean, I noticed it go hot. I started to smell something, and I'm like,
Yeah.
okay.
Made it back over here to Utah Offroad Tours, and we got her backed in, and I think we'll get her unstrapped, and we'll see what we can do to find a spot to park this thing. Right by the dumpster.